Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay not working. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, just need to open up Chrome and search Geek uninstaller under first site. Select the download option, select the zip and download it. After getting download and just click on the Geek folder and double click on the application. Select yes. And here search GeForce Experience. Just right click on the GeForce Experience and select force removal option, and it will be uninstall the GeForce Experience completely. This program will help you to remove the leftover files guys. After completely uninstall GeForce Experience, you just need to search NVIDIA app and press enter. Select the first link. NVIDIA has replaced GeForce Experience through this NVIDIA app program. Select the download option and download the NVIDIA app. After getting download and install it, after the installation done, open the NVIDIA app. Just need to select the settings on the left side. On right side, NVIDIA overlay, turn it on. As you can see, it opens up overlay with Alt Z. Press Alt Z key. If it not opens up, then select this icon, open overlay icon, and this should open up. If this also doesn't fix your problem, then just need to close stuff here and search graphics settings. Click on open it and select add desktop app option. And go to this PC local disk C, program files, NVIDIA Corporation. Double click on it. Double click on the NVIDIA app. Just need double click on the CEF. Select the NVIDIA app and select add. Again, select add desktop app and select NVIDIA overlay and select add. And now select this both GPU preferences to high performance. NVIDIA app set this to GPU performance to high performance, and just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.